Right way to use RH490 room humidifier. Start by placing the humidifier on a flat, stable surface. Next, remove the water tank and set it aside. Make sure to remove the sponge from the floating board. Place the tank back in position. Open the tank cover and fill it with purified water up to the max level. You can also add a few drops of essential oil as per your preference directly to the water tank. Plug the humidifier directly into a wall socket. Turn the knob clockwise to switch it on and adjust the mist level as needed. Enjoy a refreshing mist in just 5 seconds. You can rotate the mist nozzle in any direction for better coverage. For a relaxing touch, turn on the night light at the back, featuring 7 soothing colors for a calming ambiance. After-use care tips. Once your session is complete, switch off the humidifier and remove the water tank. Wipe any remaining water from the tank using a dry cloth. Gently tilt the base unit to drain excess water and wipe it dry. Thank you.